We'll demonstrate braid stitch. Come up here at left. One hand holds thread, one hand holds needle. Wrap needle around thread, one circle. Take down here. Vertically point needle to diagonal upper position. Then take thread. Wrap thread to behind needle. Use finger to press loop here. Push needle upward. Pull thread. Again, one hand holds thread, one hand holds needle. Wrap needle around thread, one circle. Take down here vertically below. Point to diagonal upper here and come up. Again, wrap thread from behind needle. Push needle upward. Pull thread. Let it form braid appearance. Demonstrate again. Wrap needle around thread, one circle. Take down here below. Point needle to diagonal upper right here and come up. Wrap thread to behind needle. Push needle upward. Pull thread. Demonstrate again. Wrap thread one circle. Take down below. Point needle to diagonal upper and come up. Wrap thread to behind needle. Pull thread. Let stitches present crossed loop shape, continuously interlocking crossed, presenting flat braid texture. So it's called braid stitch, also called braid stitch. Each time taking down and coming up must be on these two lines. If taking down and coming up elsewhere, won't stitch parallel braid stitch. Following this operation method, complete remaining pattern. Each time coming up must be at upper right here. After coming up, thread must wrap behind needle. When pulling thread, press down prepared crossed loop. This way convenient for pulling thread. Prevent it from moving. Its decorative line composed of loose round knots. Its stitch direction like hair. I usually use it for some clothing or border embroidery. Can stitch exquisite and delicate shapes. Take down close to outer outline. We use needle to slightly adjust its shape. Let's see the finished effect.